Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Google Ads login issues, account and permission errors step by step clearly. Open an incognito or private browser window to rule out a cached session conflict. Make sure you are signing in with the correct Google account by checking the email shown on the Google sign-in page. If you have multiple accounts, sign out of all Google accounts, then sign in only with the one that should access Google Ads. Go to ads.google.com and try logging in again from the same incognito window. If you see you don't have access, click the profile icon and confirm the account matches the billing or admin owner email. Ask the account owner to confirm the Google Ads customer ID you are trying to access is the right one. If you were invited recently, search your inbox for the Google Ads invitation email and click accept. If you cannot find the invite, ask. If you accepted the invite but still cannot access, wait 10 minutes and refresh, because permissions can take time to sync. Check whether you are trying to access a manager account by mistake, because if you need MCC access, ask the admin to add your email in the manager account and assign the correct role. In Google Ads, verify your user role is sufficient, because read-only cannot edit in standard may be limited by policies. Ask for admin access if you must manage billing, users, or account-level settings. If you see account suspended or payments profile closed, open billing and fix the payment or contact the owner to resolve it. If login fails with a loop or blank page, clear cookies and cache for google.com and ads.google.com only. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers, privacy blockers, and script blockers, then retry the login. Try a different browser, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, to eliminate browser-specific issues. Check your device time and date settings, because incorrect time can break secure sign-in tokens. If you are on a work network, test on a different network or mobile hotspot to rule out firewall or proxy restrictions. Confirm that your Google account has two-step verification set up correctly, and complete the prompt on your phone if required. If you lost access to your two-step device, use Google Account Recovery at accounts.google.com and restore sign-in first. If you are using a Google Workspace email, ask your Workspace admin whether Google Ads access is restricted by organization policy. If you see an invalid grant or OAuth error, remove the Google Ads app access in Google Account Security and sign in again. If you are logging in via a third-party tool, sign in directly on ads.google.com first to validate access. In Google Ads, click the account switcher and verify you are selecting the correct account from the list. If the account is not listed, the admin must grant access or link the account to your manager account. For persistent permission errors, ask the admin to remove your user and add you again, then accept the new invitation. If nothing works, contact Google Ads support with your customer ID, your login email, screenshots of the error, and the time it occurred. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.